Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to block someone in Bumble. If you're looking for a way to block someone on Bumble, then the process is quite straightforward. So let's jump into the video without any delay. Tap open the Bumble application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into Bumble, go ahead and tap on the chat bubble at the bottom right corner. Once you open up your chat page, go ahead and tap on the person you want to block from your list. Once you open up a conversation with them, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on block and report. You can then go ahead and give your feedback why you are trying to report or block the person, and you will then be able to confirm your decision on the next page. After this step, the person will be blocked and they won't be able to see your profile or contact you on Bumble. So that is how you can easily block someone on Bumble within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.